Dear children, welcome back to our next session on e-learning class. Today, we are going to learn about a new chapter. Before going to a chapter, let me show you some pictures and tell me what you can see there. Yes, you are right, dear children. The first picture, sunshine, and the second one, raining, and the third one, snow falling. By this picture, we will get an idea that our third chapter in geography, unit 3, Indian climate. All the three pictures, what we have seen, all are speaks about the climate or the seasons. So that the third chapter in geography, we will be learning about India climate. When we speak about Indian climate, India is a tropical monsoon type of climate. It has a tropical monsoon condition. The reason is India falls in tropical line. So it has tropical monsoon type of climate in India. Dear children, when we speak about the climate, there are factors, influences on the Indian climate or any country's climate. They are, the first one is latitude, and the second one is height from the sea level, the third one is distance from the sea level, the fourth one is direction of winds, and the sixth one is mountain ranges, and the seventh one is ocean current. These are all the factors which influence on a country's climate. The same way, all the above set points are influencing our Indian climate. Dear children, in India, we divide into 4 seasons, 4 climatic seasons. They are winter season, summer season, rainy season, and retreating monsoon season. The winter season, it starts from December and it ends on February. As you can see on the board, summer season, it is from March to May, and rainy season from June to September, and retreating monsoon season is from October to November. Hey children, now let us learn one by one all the seasons and their features. Let us learn our first season, that is the winter season. The winter season, it starts from December and it ends in February. So December to February, we call it as winter season. The reason for winter season is, during winter season, the sun rays falls vertically over the southern hemisphere. So India is in southern hemisphere. During the time of winter season, the sun rays falls vertically. You can see it in the picture. It is falling vertically. Hence the temperature and the humidity are low and the sky is clear. So when the temperature and the humidity are low, we feel the winter season. It's cool in the northern side and warm in the southern side. In India, when we see that it is cool on the north side and it is warm in the southern side. In India, January is the coldest month. We may think that December, but it is January is the coldest month in India. The Dars near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature in India. The place called Dars, you can see it in the picture, it is having lowest temperature during winter season. And dear children, let us learn our next one. You can see it in the picture. Yes, you are right. It is summer season. The summer season, it starts from March to April. The beginning of March till the end of May, we call it as summer season. Again, for summer season, the reason is during the summer season, the sun rays falls vertically over northern hemisphere. Earlier it was in southern hemisphere in winter season. Now it falls on northern hemisphere. So we feel the heat, the heat. Hence the summer season we are having. The summer season temperature is high in India. When the sun rays falls vertically on the northern hemisphere, in India the temperature is high and it is very hot and dry. The Rajasthan's Ganga Nagar, again you can see in the picture, Rajasthan's Ganga Nagar is the hottest place in our country. Due to local temperature and winds, rainfall occurs in the summer season. Some of the places during April to May. These are called with different names in different places. The summer rain has been called with different names. The names are Kala Baisakhi. It has been called in West Bengal as Kala Baisakhi. And in Uttar Pradesh, Andis. It's been called as in Uttar Pradesh as Andis. And next one is coffee blossom in our Karnataka. In Karnataka we call as coffee blossom, as it is very much helpful for coffee growing. We call it as coffee blossom. And in Kerala it has been called as mango showers. You can see in the picture, as it is very much useful for mango growers. It has been called as mango showers. You know very well, children, that the month of March, April, May is more famous for mangoes. So it has been very much useful for mango growers in Kerala. So it has been called as mango showers in Kerala. In summer season, the country receives only 10% of annual rainfall. The annual rainfall, 10% will occur in the month of March to May. That is summer season. My dear children, let us go to our next topic, that is rainy season. One more is there. Yes, you are right. It is retreating monsoon. Before going to our next topic, let me clarify you about monsoon season, that is rainy season, as well as the retreating monsoon season. Children, watch the video.
What a monsoon is. Monsoon is a periodic seasonal wind that comes from sea to land in a particular season and completely reverses back with the change in the atmospheric conditions in the next season. It is a typical yet dominant feature of the Indian climate. The term monsoon is derived from an Arabic word mausim, which means season. Causes of this seasonal reversal of wind from sea to land and land to sea. The main cause is the differential heating and cooling of land and its surrounding water bodies, that is seas and oceans. During summer, land is hotter and thus low pressure develops over interior parts of the large Indian landmass. Simultaneously, high pressure condition develops over the seas and oceans surrounding India. Thus, a steady flow of moisture-laden wind moves towards India and causes rainfall for almost 3 months. As the pressure system reverses due to apparent shifting of the sun from the Tropic of Cancer to the equator, the wind also reverses back to the same direction from where it comes.
Dear children, with that video, you might have been understood the rainy season as well as the retreating monsoon season. Now let us see about the rainy season. It is also known as the southwest monsoon season. As you watched in the video, the southwest monsoon starts. In this rainy season, it has been called as southwest monsoon season. Since the temperature rises by the end of the summer, that is in the end of May, a low pressure area are developed over central India. In central India, the low pressure area has developed. On the other hand, there is a high pressure over Indian Ocean. There is a low pressure developed in central India and a high pressure in Indian Ocean. Hence, the moisture-laden winds blow from southwest towards India and they bring rainfall to different parts of our country. About 75% of rainfall occurs in this season. The heaviest rainfall occurs at Monsoon in Meghalaya. In Meghalaya, the Monsoon is a place which has the highest rainfall in. Dear children, when we speak about the rainy season, there are two branches of southwest monsoons are there. They are namely the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. Dear children, you know very well the Arabian Sea as well as the Bay of Bengal Sea. So that's why there is two branches of southwest monsoon. One is very good, the Arabian Sea branch, and second one is the Bay of Bengal branch. So let us see what is the Arabian Sea branch. You can see on the board. It strikes the western Ghats and causes heavy rainfall to the western side of western Ghats. In the western Ghats, it has heavy rainfall which comes from Arabian Sea. And from the Bay of Bengal branches, it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya. As already we have learned that in Meghalaya, Monsoon is the heaviest rainfall place in Meghalaya and as well as Assam. So that the Bay of Bengal branch, it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya as well as the Assam. Let us learn our next topic, that is the retreating monsoon season. It is from October to November. So the season from October to November, we call it as the retreating monsoon season. Dear children, you know very well, already you watched in the video, why the retreating monsoon happens. In early October, due to decrease of temperature, the temperature decreases and a low pressure area is gradually replaced by high pressure over the land. In the land masses, the low pressure area gradually replaced and it becomes high pressure on the land and the low pressure area developed over Bay of Bengal. Hence the monsoon, what it has been taken from a Bay of Bengal, it strikes Himalayan ranges and it comes back once again to sea as the high pressure in. That's why we call as the retreating monsoon season. So during the retreating monsoon season, India receives only 13% of annual rainfall during this season. Only 13% of annual rainfall. So during the summer, we see 10% and 13% in retreating monsoon season. Dear children, I hope that you have been cleared with all the 4 seasons of our country. Dear children, our rainy regions have been classified with the three groups. They are heavy rainfall regions, low rainfall regions, and moderate rainfall regions. Dear children, with it we have come to the end of our today's session as well as lesson. Let us meet in our next video with the next lesson. Until then, thank you.